This harsh winter weather has done a number on our skin, but it's not only what's going on outside with the cold temps and the dry air, your inside habits could be contributing as well. Paige Campbell is a Slough Care clinical esthetician here to talk about some remedies. Good morning to you, Paige.
Hi, Randy. Good morning.
Well, the St. Louis weather often inconsistent, we know. Does this kind of confuse our skin, especially during the winter months?
Absolutely. It does not know how to keep up, especially with St. Louis weather. It's always up and down, climate change when we're going inside and outdoors. The skin just doesn't know how to keep up with everything, especially in St. Louis with the inconsistent weather.
So what are we doing wrong and what can we do to help?
So what we're doing wrong is not so wrong, but indoor air with heaters and furnaces always running. Skin just can't keep up, and sometimes humidifiers are not enough. Lack of hydration internally and externally. When it's cold outside, the body actually needs more water to keep itself hydrated, and the skin is the first place that will lose that hydration.
All right, so we know what to do from the inside, drink lots more water. What about from the outside? What are some of the best over-the-counter remedies?
Best over-the-counter remedies and things that you can actually do at home is being very conscious of the temperature of the water that you're using in your shower. We tend to want to use very high temperature water when we're cold, but that will actually dry us out more. And adding moisture-rich hydration as far as more emollient-rich moisturizers and hydrating serums as well.
How do we know when this problem is serious enough to come and see someone like you?
Well, the skin will kind of talk to you. It gives you signs. Something's clearly off. It's not being normal like usual. If you are more dry, especially when you get out of the shower, if your skin feels very tight, that's a good indicator. And redness is a very good sign as well. And even sometimes burning or like a very tight feeling as well.
And can there be any long-term or maybe even permanent effects from this dry weather and what it's doing?
Yeah, absolutely. Signs of aging tend to will stick around if the skin is not properly hydrated. So fine lines and wrinkles. It can also be a problem down the road with redness and things too.
All right, so if we do need to come and see you, folks are worried about COVID protocols. What is going on in your office?
So our office at Slough Care Med Spa, we are following all of the CDC proper guidelines and precautions. We're screening, we're keeping the treatment rooms very clean in between patients, and we are monitoring the amount of people that are in the office at one time.
All right, we appreciate you joining us this morning. Hopefully we'll get through this, our skin intact. Thanks. And if you would like more information on taking better care of your winter skin, we will link you to their website on our website as well as our Fox 2 mobile app.